Unboxing Funko Squid Game Funko Pop. Let's start with Funko 1221. Player 199. Ali. The box flap has Squid Game symbol. This figurine has a little drawstring bag. During Squid Game Round 4, Player 199 used this bag to put his marbles. Next, Funko Box 1222. Player 456. Song Ji-hoon. This figurine is holding the Dalgona honeycomb toffee candy, in the shape of an umbrella. This is a scene in Squid Game Round 2. Players has to cut out the shape perfectly, in order to proceed to Round 3. Unboxing Funko 1223. Player 001. Old. Il-nam. He is the oldest player in the Squid Game, loving the details of the balding grey hair, aging wrinkles on his face, sunken cheekbones and aged body posture. Funko 1224. Player 067. Kang Se-byeok. She is one of the player that completed Squid Game Round 5. In this figurine, she is holding the little bag that contains marbles, which is seen during the Squid Game Round 4. Funko includes her signature freckles on her face. It's amazing. Unboxing Funko 1225. Player 218. Cho Sang-woo. In the show, he is a competitive player. He is the last two surviving players who enter into the final round of Squid Game. Funko includes the details of his beard for this figurine. He is also in barefoot, wearing the Q number 14 label, just like the Netflix show, during the glass tile game, in Squid Game Round 5. Let's unbox the Squid Game masked worker. The masked workers wore jumpsuits and masks with a circle on them. The workers wearing circle helmets is the lowest rank. They cannot speak unless a worker with a higher ranking speaks to them first. The jumpsuit and mask are similar to the ones in the show. Simply loving it. Unboxing Funko 1231. Masked Manager. Square symbol masked worker are the managers. They are in command of a group of circles or triangles workers, whenever they interacted with the players. This square masked manager figurine is holding a gun while the circle masked worker figurine is empty-handed. Their duties includes making important announcements about the games to the players.
Watch out! Funko exclusive. Masked Soldier. Squid Game is not over.
Please smash like and subscribe button if you like the unboxing we share. Leave in the comment below which Squid Game character is your favorite choice. We love to hear from you. Till then, happy toy collecting.